Good morning everyone. Today we will be doing the 19th question of the exercise 3.5. The question is cot A plus cot B plus cot C plus cot D equal to 0 if A, B, C, D are the angles of cyclic quadrilateral. We are knowing that if the angles of the cyclic quadrilateral, the angles are the angle of the cyclic quadrilateral, then we are having this figure. This is A, B, C and D. So the sum of opposite angle equal to 180 degree. So here we write solution. We know that that A plus C equal to B plus D equal to pi. Pi means 180. So we are knowing that A plus C equal to B plus D equal to pi. This implies A equal to pi minus C and B equal to pi minus T. And these two we will substitute here in place of A and B. So this implies LHS will become cot pi minus C plus cot pi minus D plus cot C plus cot D. This means minus cot C minus cot D and these all will be getting cancelled and this equal to 0. Now see the 21 question. In 21st question it is given evaluate cos 195 degree. This is first. Always whenever we have to find the value of any trigonometric function, we should get the angle in the first quadrant. So here we will write this as cos 180 plus minus 15 and this is nothing but minus cos 15 degree. Cos pi minus theta is minus cos theta. Now here this can be written as cos 60 minus 15 degree. 45 sorry. Cos 60 minus 45. 15 degree we can write this. Now here in this one we can use the formula. The formula is cos C minus cos D or cos A minus B. The formula will be cos A cos B plus sin A sin B. This is 1 by 2, this is 1 by root 2, this is root 3 by 2 and this is 1 by root 2. So answer you will be getting root 3 plus 1 by 2 root 2. This there. Now the second one is sine 11 pi by 12. Here this one we will write as sine 12 pi minus pi by 12, and this means this is sine pi minus pi by 12, and this is sine 180 minus theta is sine theta. So sine pi by 12. Now this sine pi by 12 we can write as 4 pi minus 3 pi by 12 sine pi by 4 pi by 3 minus pi by 4. In this one we will be using the formula sin c minus sin d. Sin c minus sin d is sin c cos d minus sin d cos c. So here sin pi by 3 cos pi by 4 minus sin pi by 4 cos pi by 3. We can put the value. Pi by 3 means 60 degree, means sin 60 is root 3 by 2. This is 1 by root 2 minus this is how much? 1 by root 2, and cos 60 is 1 by 2. 1 by this is LCM you can take 2 root 2. So it is root 3 minus 1. Now 23. The question is sine 38 degree cos 22 degree plus cos 38 degree sine 22 degree equal to root 3 by 2. This we have to prove. Now this is a formula sin c cos d plus cos c sin d, correct? The formula is sin a c plus d means 38 plus 22 degree is equal to sin 60 degree, and this equal to root 3 by 2 equal to RHS. So only thing you have to just see which formula you can apply here, and you can find the total angle and find the value. This was first part. In the second part they have given sin 70 cos 10 minus cos 70 sin 10. Here which formula we will use? Sin c cos d minus cos c sin d equal to sin c minus d So again we have got root 3 by 2 equal to RHS. Third part, cos 130, cos 40 plus sin 130 sin 40. This is cos C cos D plus sin C sin D equal to cos 130 minus 40 degree, and this is cos 90 degree equal to 0. Now we will be doing the fourth part, sin 7 pi by 12 cos pi by 4 minus cos 7 pi by 12 minus cos into sin pi by 4 equal to root 3 by 2. So formula is again sin C cos D minus cos C sin D. What is sin pi by 3? Sin pi by 3 is sin 60, and sin 60 is we have got tan 69 plus tan 66 equal to upon 1 minus this, and we have to prove it equal to minus 1. So this is nothing but tan A plus tan B upon 1 minus tan A tan B is the formula for tan A plus B. This angle we can write as 180 minus 45 . The question is cos square pi by 4 plus x minus sin square pi by 4 minus x. Here we can use a formula . this formula we can use. Cos x plus y into cos x minus y is equal to cos square x minus sin square y. So here we will be using it. This equal to cos x plus y. What is x? This is x and this is y. This is cos pi by 2. In cos pi by 2 is 0. 0 into anything is again 0. So here answer will be 0. Likewise for the second one also we will be doing the same thing. It is sin square here the formula will be so here answer will be 1 by root 2 sin x. Now the next question is question number 27. If alpha beta lie in the first quadrant, alpha beta lie in first quadrant, then and sin alpha equal to 8 by 17, tan beta equal to 5 by 12, then find the value of sin alpha minus beta cos alpha minus beta and tan alpha minus beta. This we have to find. Now what we have to do in this, it is sin alpha minus beta, we are having sin alpha. For this we can make one triangle. Here we write alpha. Sin is perpendicular upon hypotenuse. If you see here, the third part, if you calculate it, then it will be 289 minus 64, 225, so this will be 15. We make another triangle. Here we write angle beta. This is 5, this is 12, and this we are knowing this is 13. When you use the Pythagoras theorem, we get here 13. Now what is the value of here what we require? We require sin alpha minus beta, means sin alpha cos beta minus sin beta cos alpha, like this, or you may write it, you can write as cos alpha sin beta. Both ways it is correct. Now sin alpha is 8 by 17. Cos beta, beta is this, cos is base upon hypotenuse, 12 upon 13. Cos alpha 15 upon 17, and sin beta is 5 by 13. 12 8s are 96 upon 17 into 13 minus 75 upon 96 minus 75. 13 7s are 91, 9, 13 1s are 13. So answer will be 21 upon 221. Now cos alpha minus beta, it will be what? Cos alpha cos beta plus, because here it is minus, in case of cos the sign get changed, here it is minus, then it become plus. So here it will be sin alpha sin beta. Now these values we can change here. Cos alpha, cos is 15 by 17, cos beta 13 by 12 by 13 plus sin alpha 8 by 17, and then here 5 by 13. How much it will be? It will be 180 by, again downside it will be 221 plus 40 upon 221, and it is 220 upon 221. Then the last part that we are having, that is tan alpha minus beta. The formula is tan alpha minus tan beta upon 1 plus tan alpha tan beta. What is tan alpha? 8 by 15 minus tan beta 5 by 12 upon 1 plus take LCM, LCM will be 180, 12 8s are 96 minus 75 upon here 180 plus 40 Answer will be 21 by 220. So we will be doing till here only today, till your next session. Bye bye.